Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give you an update on my latest prize draw. Now, if you remember, this time I'm offering a bundle of kits including the MH70L Blackhawk, the MH6J Littleberg and the Blackhawk crew set, all in 1/48 scale and all made by ICM. Now the prize just got a bit bigger. Channel viewer Tom, the UKScaleModeller on eBay, has very kindly donated 2 paint mask sets for these helicopters for this prize draw. On top of that, he's donated the retail price of both sets to Models for Heroes as well, which is extremely generous. So now the bundle includes 3 kits with the paint masks for both helicopters, and I'll even throw in some stickers too. Now, if you haven't got your tickets yet, follow the QR code here or the link, which is also repeated in the information box below. Tickets cost £1 each. Multi-buy offers are available. The prize draw closes at midnight at the end of Saturday, 14th of March 2026 UK time, after which my online partners raffle will independently and at random choose the winning ticket. If it's you, then I'll get in touch by email, so do make sure you've registered that correctly. I'll post the prize to you at my own expense, no matter where you are, and remember that 10% of the revenue is sent automatically to Models for Heroes. So best of luck if you enter this draw. Do check out Tom's products at UKScaleModeller on eBay. Thanks so very much for watching, and goodbye.